Okay, so let us do one thing going further. Can you all open browser? And type PyCharm. PyCharm. Okay. And the first link that you get is the Python IDE for professional developers. Can you click on it? And you will be led to a website, jetbrains.com/PyCharm. Okay. So here you should just that's fine. Just say I agree. And after that, just go click on download. Click on download. Okay. Once you download and install, you will be able to launch the PyCharm IDE. PyCharm IDE. Just if you say click on download, it would take you to the download page. And here, if on top, it would by default select the operating system, which is Windows here in this case. So if it is a Mac, you have to select Mac. So by default, it would select according to the operating system. If not, you have to select the right operating system and click on download. So when you say download, it would basically tell, okay, which one do you want to download? So there are two things. Hold on a second. So it directly went for downloading. So let me cancel it. Yeah. So there are two things. There is community edition and there is a professional edition. So we want to download a community edition. This is Python professional. So we have one more thing called, so if you just scroll down, right? So you have something called Python community edition. So we want to download community edition because this is free and you can use it. So the professional one is a 30-day free trial, but after that you will have to pay for it, right? So we don't need a paid version for now. So we can go with the community edition, which is for free. Clear? Right, if you open it, will look something like this. Here I'm just going to close this. All right, so that's fine. All right, so I'm going to have like, the same thing that we have seen. I have shared my screen again and I started typing. I hope you can see it. Role as admin and email is equal to admin@xyz.com. So what we are going to validate is if role equals to admin and email equals to admin@xyz.com, only then this block will be printed. Role is admin and email is admin@xyz.com. Right? So else I'm going to say else if that is not true, the condition, if condition, if the overall expression is not true, then come to the else block. Then come to the else block. The data is not valid. Now, what would it print in this case? What would be the output be? So you have your role, which is equal to admin, and you have your email admin@xyz.com. And what the expression is, if role equals to admin, which is true, and email equals to admin@xyz.com, which is again true, then print role is admin and email is admin@xyz.com. Else, if the above expression is not true, then else print the data is not valid. Now, In this case, both role equals to admin, yes, true, and email equals to admin at xyz.com, yes, true. In this case, since both are true and operator requires both the expressions, the one towards the left and the one towards the right, should be true, only then the overall expression becomes true, and this will print role is admin and email is xyz.com. Now I'm going to change my role equals to, maybe I'll change it to security. Okay, so here I'm saying if role equals to admin and email equals to admin at xyz.com, then print role and email are valid, else print invalid data. Right? So what would it print? What is my role? Role is security. Now what am I comparing it with? Role equals to admin and email equals to admin at xyz.com. Right? The first condition itself is failed. Right? Role equals to admin. What is the outcome of this? Right? It is false. The first expression is false. And in AND operator, both the expression should be true. So the first expression itself is a false, hence the overall expression becomes false. So it will not go into the if block, rather it falls to the else block and it says invalid data. In the same expression, if what happens if I put OR operator instead of AND operator? So here the same expression, I am going to, instead of AND operator, what I'm going to do is I'm going to change this to OR operator. Print OR operator, something like that I'm printing, else print. So what would it do now? What does it print?
OR operator.
Because role equals to admin, no, role is security, but it is not equal to admin. Okay, what do I have? It's a OR operator. So if since it is a OR, okay, this is false, but still let me check the other one. So email equals to admin at xyz.com. It is still true. So email equals to admin at xyz.com. So in one of it is true, it is true. Hence it prints OR operator. Hence it prints OR operator. So here okay, now what happens? I am going to change this to OR operator. Okay, now what happens? What will be the output? False. Role equals to admin. No, role is security, but I'm comparing it with admin. So this is going to return false. And I'm going to say email equals to admin at xyz.1.com. But actually email is .com, not .1.com. And hence even this will return false. And since both the expressions are false, then it will not go into the if block, but rather it comes to the else block and prints invalid data. Are we clear? All right. So now we will look at not operator. We'll look at not operator. So not operator is a inverse operation. So I have my data here. So for example, is holiday equals to true. This is my value. If is holiday, if is holiday, print enjoy, right? Else print go to work. This is a simple expression, right? Is holiday is true. If true, enjoy. Else, go to work. This expression is clear. Is it clear? Is the above expression clear? What does it print? What does it print? See, so role equals to admin. Yes. And what did we have written? If role equals to admin. Is it true case or false case?
True case.
Right. So eventually the outcome of this should be what? It should be true
True.
or false. Now, instead of such expression, I'm directly giving true or false here. Is it still valid or not?
Yeah.
Right. In this case, what will it print?
Enjoy.
Right. This is the one because the overall expression needs to be true. Hence, is holiday is true anyways, and hence it will go into the if block. Now, the same thing if I have to write using a not operator. The same thing if I have to write using a not operator, how would I write it? If not is holiday, if not is holiday, then print go to work. Else print enjoy. Right. So here, what did we do? So we used a not operator to perform the same operation, but it is inverse. So first we are saying if not is holiday, not true, meaning what?
False.
False. If not holiday. Now is let us say what will be the output for this? Is holiday is equal to true. What does it print? Is holiday is true. If not true, then it will come here. Is it not true or is it true? So what is my output here? Not true means false here. If not false, meaning true. Yes. Now, in this case, is this a valid case? Valid? Is this outcome of this is true or false in this case? Not true.
False.
So then it will be in the if block or it will go to the else block.
If block only.
If it is, see, this entire expression should be true for us to be go into for us to get into the if block. If this entire expression is false, then it goes to the else block. Are we clear on this? Are we clear or not? Is holiday true? If is holiday, else okay. Now tell me what will be the output for this?
Playing.
Is holiday is true, and if true, then say playing. So this will print playing. Now instead of true, let us say it had false. Is holiday is false. So if the total expression is false, if false, if this block will be executed only the if expression is true. That if expression is false, then it will go to the else block. What will it say?
Working.
Right? Clear?
Yes, sir.
Now here is holiday is true. What would it print?
Playing.
Playing.
Right? Is holiday true? So not holiday returns false and it will not go into the if block, but it will go to the else block. Now here it was false. Not false meaning what? All right. So what would it do now? So if the is holiday is false here, what would be the output?
Yeah, working.
Working.
Working. If not is holiday, meaning if it is if the is holiday is false, then working, else playing. Clear? This is how the operators can be used to validate.